So to add the login system, we will use Laravel Fortify. So if you move to docs, and here you have Laravel Fortify. So to install the package, we need to call or to run this command. So let's do that now. So let's move to the terminal and add another one here. And paste the command here and let's run it, and once done we will call or we will run the second one and the third one. So let's wait until it's done and then we run the next commands. So now it's done. Let's run second command, this one. Copy and paste it here, and let's add third one, or let's run third one, and it's done. So now we have installed Fortify. So we need to add the as you can see here, so we need to add views. So we need to return the views, the login view and the registration view. So let's move to the Fortify service provider. Inside providers, let's move down, and here let's add first one. Let's call, or let's use Fortify and call the registration view method. This one takes function, and function returns the view. So we return the view that we will add later, and the view will be inside folder auth, and name will be register. And we can do the same thing for the login. So now we have the register and we have the login. So let's go to views here and add another folder. Let's call it auth, and inside let's add the register .blade.php, and let's add for now just register, and add another one. Let's call it login.blade.php, and here let's put only login for now. We need also to add the routes here. So here let's change this one to Laravel 11 blog, and let's move down. So here we have the home. So let's add the routes that will take us to the home page, and here we have a link. Let's change this one, or let's keep this one, or let's remove this one and use this one. Let's add here account, and here we need the register and login, and what else we have here. Let's remove this one, we don't need it, and also the form, we don't need it, so we will add later search form. So here for the registration, let's add the route. It will take us to register, this one. So let's change this one to register, and this one will take us to login. So let's add here login, and we can add also, so let's add an icon fast. I think we have user plus, so let's use user plus, and also let's add another one here for the login. Let's use, I think they have sign in, so let's remove user and use sign in. Save, let's refresh, and as you can see we have here the register and login, And here we can redirect, or we can go back to the home page. If we click on register, so we are redirected to the login. So why we are redirected to the login? And here we have the register, and here the login. So let's go back here. So here we have the mistake. So this one needs to take us to the login view, not register view. So sorry for this mistake. Let's refresh the page, and as you can see, now we are in the registration view, and if I click on the login, we are in the login view. So now we have added the route. So all we need now to do is to add the login forms, or the registration form, and later we will add login form. So let's extend the layout dot up and add the title. So here the title, let's change this one to title. Title will be register, and we need also content. So let's add content, and content, inside the content we have so let's add the div. The div will have a class row and justify content to center and margin top and bottom of 5. And we need also a div with a card and another div with a card header. And let's add here a register. So let's save and take a look what we have here. So as you can see, we have a register, but we need, so I forgot to add the div with call md8, and let's give it margin auto. And now we need to add card, and let's add here h4 text center and margin top of 2, and we have here the register. So let's refresh. As you can see, now it's better. Next we need to add the card body, and here inside card body we have form, and form method will be post, and it will take us to, so here we need the method, and the method is post, and here it will take us to the route that we have already, which is the register. And inside form we have what we need. We need another, or the first thing we need is the CSRF token, and also we need div with row and margin bottom of 3, and we need div with or before we add div, let's add a label, and label will be for name, and here let's give it a class, and class will be called md4 and call form label, and text md to the end, and here let's add the name. So let's add name, and next we need the input. So let's add another div with call md6, and here let's add inputs, and puts field will be text field, and let's give it name, id name, and class which is form control, and what else we need? So we need the value, which is the old name, and also we need the required and auto complete. Let's give it a name, and auto focus. And we need also to check if we have validation error here. So we need to display the error if we have the validation error, which is name. So we need to display a class which is invalid. And here we end the error. And what else we need? We need also to check for the error, validation error here. So let's add here error. And if we have the name, so then we add a span with the class invalid feedback. And inside span, let's add strong, and we display the message like this. So now we have the first field, so let's refresh. So we have here an error. So let's check what is the error. So here we did not close the end error, that's why. So that's why we have this error. So let's refresh again, and as you can see, we have name. So let's check what we have here. So I think we need to copy this one and paste it here. So we have name, let's change this one to email. So here, email, copy and paste here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and let's change this one to email and save. So let's refresh. And here we have the email. So let's move to the next. Next we have the password. So let's refresh, or let's not refresh, let's copy and paste and change this one to password, and also this one to password. And here we have password, 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 and password, and password, and password. So here for the password we don't need the auto complete, and we don't need also the auto focus. Same thing here. So what else we need? We need the button. So let's refresh before we add the button. Let's refresh and see. And here we have the password. So let's add, as I said, let's add not the button. So before we add the button, let's add also password confirmation. So here the field name, or here let's add confirm password. And what else we have? We have the name. So let's here change it to password confirm. And also, so not the type, but name. So let's remove this one, sorry. And add the name of the field. Name is password confirm, and ID, and also here label, and here error, and here same thing, and save. And finally we need the button. So let's add the button. Let's copy this one and add the button. So let's copy paste, so paste here, and here we don't need a label, so we need only the call md6, and here we add the button. So let's add the button. Or let's remove also this one. So this one, we don't need it. So let's just take a look here. So here we have so I think I made something. I made the, so I think it's, so here we have the route, call MD4 and call MD6. Let's remove this one that we have here. Let's save just to check what we have here. So I made mistake. So we have here confirm password, and we have two, as you can see, we have two input fields. So let's remove this one that we have here. So this one is for the password, and this one is for the confirm password. And here we have another one, which is the second one. So let's remove this one. Sorry for this mistake. And here we keep only password, and here password. Sorry for this mistake. So let's change this one and this one and also this one. And here the old, we don't need value for the password. And here the old is the email. And what else we have? Let's move down. So here we don't have also the old. So let's remove this one. Sorry for this silly mistakes. If we refresh the page now we have everything as we want. So let's add the button which is, as I said, save or submit button. So here we have div with, so let's add a div with row and margin bottom of 3. And what else we need? We need another div with call md6, and let's give it offset md4. And here we have the button, and the button type is submit. And let's give it a class. Class is btn primary. And here let's add submit. Save, refresh the page. Now if I send form, so all the fields are required. Let's add here password and send. So we need to provide an email. Send again. Let's check just error, validation errors, if they are working or not. So the password field must be at least 8 characters. So let's send again. The password field confirmation doesn't match. And let's check here. So here the password confirm, and here the password. Okay, so now the validation errors are working. So let's add user John Doe, and let's add password, submit, and password field confirmation do not match. So I think I did the same password. Why it's not matching? So let's send again. So we have something wrong with this field, which is the password field. Confirmation do not match. So let's fix it. So the error is here inside form. So sorry for this mistake. So the name of the field must be password underscore confirmation, not password dash confirm. So sorry for this mistake. And we don't need to display the errors here and also here, because as you can see, it's already done here. So the validation error are already or is already displayed inside password field, so we don't need to display it again inside the password confirmation field. So let's try again and see if we refresh the page, add the name, the email, the password, submit, and as you can see, I am redirected to the home page, but we don't have this route, which is /home, so we need to remove this redirection and add our custom routes or add our custom redirection. So once the user is registered or logged in, so we need to redirect him to the home page, not to /home. So as you can see, as we have seen now. So let's do that now before we move to the login.